Hello guys, so now we are doing a video which is on the physics department. So the main physics department with the reception and all that. So once you enter from there typically, and then the first thing you typically see is a bunch of posters, flyers, etc. about the department, women in physics that we have. Got something about I want to be an PhD in astrophysics, something about from the International Max Planck Research School of Astrophysics in the University of Munich, and other things as well, other flyers of achievements or things that have been done at university. We've got other things as well, some other posters and community engagement, physics forum at UJ, things that are being done at the department. And then once you enter, of course, you'd see typically the research, the reception and the part with the benches, with the couches, and of course we've got this whole bit dedicated area for any postings, any research that's been done, past scientific papers which are being published. So we've got the Astrophysics and Space Sciences 2023, a few publishers that we have, new scenario of solar modulation model during polarity reversing, and etc. Astrophysics, so we've got some from 2023 and some from 2024 recently. We've got also particle and astroparticle physics 2022, 2023, and recently 2024. So you can see some of the people who are involved. And of course my section, condensed matter physics 2022, 2023. But we don't have any posting on the 2024. But it's not because they don't have publications, but actually this is the section with the most students and in fact many publications, but for some reason they haven't been posted or displayed. Of course, we've got other engagements such as, significance of social media and physics in testing solar irradiation models, measurements in Southern African localities, engaging University Center for particle and astrophysics. And then, of course, we've got theoretical nuclear physics, a few papers, 2023, 2022, and 2024 recently. And then we've got a whole section for magazines about science, physics, of course. So you can see, please do not leave with the magazines, with the science magazine, just read and leave it there. Okay, and then of course we've got our science reception or physics reception with some greetings, Avukeni or Avasheni, hello, Lotani, Molo, hello, Tumega Sawabona. Yes, and of course we've got some students, you see honors postings from 2016. I've got some from 2016, 2020, and of course 2024, the current one, and I'm there. And of course some other students as well. And the HOD of the physics department currently, Professor Bui Sondezi. Of course the science faculty was presented top achieving team in the year 2018. So we had an achievement at that time. And of course, what says more physics more than some equipments about physics? So we've got all these machineries, some for showing waves, how they move. And of course, all these beautiful machineries that we have. Yes, so we can do demonstrations about things. We've got the Tesla coil here, the smaller one, etc. We've got something to show aerodynamics of maybe aerodynamic objects, periodic table of elements, bunch of magnets to show, for example, when you're demonstrating superconductivity. You've got when you do want to do gyroscopic motion, the chair would be rotating, you'd be holding that, and you can test how it works. We've got a laser source and something else, and a bunch of other things. There's a whole solar system. If you zoom inside, you can see planets in there, and you can put it on and all that. So students typically come to the university and they see these demonstrations, and of course are excited. And then of course there is another lab besides the ones I showed in other videos. This is another lab for the quantum design, condensed matter physics. So when you want to do measurements like that, of course there are more scientific papers here for the highly correlated matter, so it's under all condensed matter physics as well. And of course we've got professors in their offices on that side. This is a small meeting room. We've got posters with different things, 1935, World War, post-World War, etc. All the beautiful things. some more posters and etc. We've got the physics seminar lab or seminar room where lectures typically take place. So either somebody comes from another department and doing lectures, but also specifically for honor students, postgraduate students. We've got our lectures in these rooms, and you can see there were some lectures which were being done recently. And you can see this is just something to do with the electrons moving between energy levels and emitting gamma rays, and some of them X-rays, etc. as well. And it also has something to do with central force, centrifugal force, Lorentzian force, some equations, some lectures were happening in here. And of course, this is something I was attending, which is computational physics. So the Legendre polynomials was derived from a computational perspective. This was from solid state physics discussing, potential ion cores. In fact, we were talking about nearly free electron field or electron model, free electron model. So yeah, this is the seminar.